you. You want to go now?
Black.
Half I do.
You know here, huh?
Say what here?
They say Osaro, yeah, aka Azagba boy. They say later Sabo don't come out. You never hear.
It dey everywhere now. Now you dey run for.
Now me say na true say don't come out.
Yes, now.
Hey, where are for Bisian?
You go with Ventures Music Production. Wait there for Enyabuzu Baka Junction.
But this believe
Now, there you are.
Ijo. Now they are the Western. My brother. Ogunye. Ogunye.
Where are you?
Ije na.
Okay, wait.
My brother. Now you be using Ventures. And I go and say that I go dey your Osaro. Now me say I go die. And you go get down and tell you, abeg, knock me one. Now me see. God bless you.
Okay.
Oh, not bad. That's the way the thing is. I don't get it. No, I get it. My country people, he don't come out to Osaro, yeah, aka Azagba boy, musical album. The latest album where they rap for time. Now it is so, and you can't have man. He don't come out, my brothers and sisters. Make we go get in the order for plenty Bakuba. Make we go Ujim Ventures Musical Production. Where they number 119, Benin Auchi Express Road, opposite to Baka Junction, Benin City. Make you not trust me, no yet. I don't get my own. For me and my family, on my Yahweh. Thank you.